my goodness, who do we have here today?
Hallie.
And?
Haley.
And? What are we doing today?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers.
Yes.
You two trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
As much as I should.
You guys are nuts. You're up first. You trust this guy to throw you out even though you guys just met too?
I do.
You're all crazy. Whose idea was this?
Mine.
So it's her fault if this goes wrong. If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, or confession?
YOLO.
For me, it's the same every time. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn it off, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. We're not gonna need it. Let's go have some fun. High five. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! All right, here we are. We're at the plane. You ready to get in, get up, get out of this bird, go have some fun?
Sure.
Woo! You ready to go next, ladies? Woo! Let's go have some fun in the sky. High five. Here we go. Woo!
Nice.
Good job. Pull that right one all the way down. All the way. Now look at the camera and smile. Yeah! Woo! Hands up. Another turn?
Sure. Which
Pull the
way?
left one all the way down. Yeah, I'm not helping. That's why it's heavy. Nice. Hands up. Woo! Yeah. Woo! All right, what do you think? We made it back. You gonna do that again?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Next time I'll let you open the parachute, okay? It's out of Colorado Springs. Woo.